Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at how to install VMware. VMware is a special software designed to install an operating system inside your computer on a special platform designed formerly known as a thing called VirtualBox, if you guys have ever heard that. It's basically a virtual window with a Windows operating system or whatever type of operating system you want to put in there. That's what it's designed for. And it is very, at least the free version is extremely user-friendly. So I use VMware 16 player or 15 player. Whatever the latest player other than Pro. Pro you have to pay for, of course. But in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install VMware. Other videos relating to VMware will be showing how to most likely install an operating system and things like that. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to open our Google Chrome browser and we're going to search for VMware. You want to find the vmware.com right here. Now, I guess I pressed on Workstation Pro. Fully functional 30-day trial. We don't want that. We want just the free version. Yep, right here. Download VMware Workstation Player. You can also try Workstation 16.0 Player on Linux as well, which is a pretty interesting little thing. We're going to do it for Windows, though. Okay, guys, so VMware decided to launch right this moment, and we're going to press yes, of course. And VMware will get ready here. Alright, VMware is ready for the setup wizard. So you're going to press next. You might want to read some of this too, but we're going to press next. You might want to read some of that too if you'd like. We're going to press accept and press next. So this is something interesting you guys got to be aware of. Where you're installing VMware, and if you want enhanced keyboard driver, reboot will be required this feature. This feature requires 10 megabytes on your host drive, so you want to be careful with that. Okay? I don't usually use this feature because I don't really need it. So, do you want to add VMware Workstation Controls tools in the system path? You can. I'm just going to press next. It's fine. Check for product updates on startup. You want that. Join the VMware customer experience. I don't need to. I'm already joined with them anyway. You can learn a little bit more if you'd like. We're going to press next. And I'm going to leave those up there. And then we're going to press install. And it's going to sit here for a while. Go walk away. Go do something. Go clean something. Go eat something. And it'll be ready for you. Alright, looks like VMware is completed, so I believe this is one of the many phases. So you're going to press finish, of course. I guess it's done, so I'm just going to press on VMware. Normally it takes a lot longer than that, but an update might have occurred, so it might be easier now. Commercial use. You have to buy a key for commercial use. We all use VMware anyway, and it's just, this part confuses me. If I'm doing something wrong, please let me know. But we're going to press continue. And this is true. This is the most advanced virtual software that supports the broadest numbers of operating systems and delivers the richest desktop user experience. Literally, you guys, that is all truth right there. You press finish, and VMware will launch. I'm going to make it big screen. And essentially, you're finished. You can create your new operating system, and we'll get into that on the next video. So please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for me, and turn on all channel notifications so that you can be notified for more videos like this. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.